Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are going to talk about Apex Trader Funding. A great way to trade. I don't care how much money you have, this is a great way to trade. Use their money instead of your money. Trade multiple accounts as well. The way this works is you pay a small monthly fee, and with that fee, it depends on which account you go with. And then with that fee, you have to prove that you can trade. So for 10 days, you have to trade. And as long as you don't break the drawdown rule and you get the max profit that they want you to get, then you advance to a funded account. This funded account is real money. So let's say that maybe you want to trade minis, but you don't have the money to trade that, but you're really good at trading and micros is all you can do. So you could go ahead and do this account. You could trade the minis on it. And I actually started one. I'm doing two right now. And with those two, I'm doing the $100,000 account. And with this, it's $207 a month. But hold on, I've got a coupon for you in the description, and you get 50% off. So it's only like a little over $100 each. But you're going to get a $100,000 account, and you can trade up to 14 contracts, minis, and 28 micros. Most people, I don't know why you would trade micros on this. I'd trade minis. And your profit goal, you need to make $6,000, and you don't have a time period to make that. The only rule that they have is a trailing threshold of $3,000. So let's say you are at $100,000 and you trade and you get up to 100, say 105,000. You're traded up to. Now your drawdown is 102,000, so you can't go below 102,000. It's always 3,000 less than your highest balance you've had. And once you get your profit goal, then you get a funded account. You have to trade it 10 days. So, and that's not 10 calendar days, that's 10 trading days. And so if you trade one day this week, one day next week, that's 2 days that you've got out of those 10. So you need to trade it every day. Rather you go in there and just buy a micro just to make a trade and then move on, that's all you need to do. So that's what you do on this. There is no scaling. There are no other rules. It's just a trailing threshold, and it's really not that hard to do. You also, if you don't have NinjaTrader, you get a free license. So that's $1,200 that NinjaTrader is going to charge you for a license. Where if you do this, you get it free. Also, the real-time data, you don't have to pay for that. It's usually like $12. They say $55. I think with Rhythmic, I think it is $55. But with the Rhythmic, you get that for free, so you don't have to pay that. So really, the only money you've got out of your pocket is this $100 a month. And if you use my coupon, if you don't use the coupon, then it's going to be more. Now, they've got smaller accounts. You can do the 25. You can only trade up to 4 contracts, though. And the better you get at trading, you're going to want more than 4 contracts probably. The profit goal is 1,500. You can make that just easy. And then the trailing threshold is 1,500. So that means you've got to be tight about your stops and stuff and make sure you don't go below. And you can go through this and read up and see which one works best for you. Personally, I never trade usually more than 8 or 10 contracts. Sometimes I'll go a little more. 14's plenty. So I can trade 14 contracts on this, and I've got 2 of these accounts. Matter of fact, both of those were started today. So we'll see how that goes. And as long as I don't drop below the 3,000, then I'm good. So I just trade both accounts and move forward with it. You can do the 300,000 account. You can trade 35 contracts. I traded 50 ES contracts for a week, and it made me nervous. And so I just don't. I don't know if I'll ever do that. Maybe someday I will, and if I do, maybe I'll go ahead and create another account with them to where I trade more. This one's 100,000 static. This one is for me I don't think that great. You can only trade 2 contracts forever, but you only have a $625 drawdown, and it stays there, so it always stays below the 100,000. So the more you make, it's still 625 less than 100,000. I don't think this is a good one just because of the 2 minis. I think that this one is the one that it works for me. It's $100 a month with my coupon, and it works really well. So how do they do all this? Once you get your funded account, and I think it's $2,500 drawdown they'll allow you to have. But as you make that 2,500, or actually it's I think it's 2,400 drawdown. Not 100% on that, but once you hit that over that, then they bring your drawdown to $100,100. It's always $100 over whatever your program is. And if you make $200,000, then you have 99,900 in your account. If you make 25,000 and you're up to 125,000, you can't lose more than the $100 over the 100,000. So it actually works really well. They've got all the instructions and everything on here that you can read. I'm gonna put a link in my description, and that link will take you to my website, and it has more information on this, and it also has the coupon code. So once you go there, you click on my link for the website. It'll, matter of fact, we'll just pull it up right now, and we'll go to the funded account. Right here's where it is, and there's your coupon. You click on this enroll here today, and you put that coupon in on your list, and then when you do that, you'll get 50% off. It says November 15th on the website. We just updated that, so it's through January. So don't worry about that. It's through January. You get 50% off. It's a great program to do. I'm using it. I like it. I don't have any problems with it. And one thing you can do, we have bots that you can put on there. So this will help you actually make money with it. And we also have different courses and so forth. Right now we have a really good buy on indicator through this Friday, 20% off. This one day it made $5,290 just on NQ, one contract. That's all it was. 12 winners, 4 losers. So it actually made good money. So going back to this, like I said, you just go up here to the sign up. You pick the one you want. When you click on it, you go ahead and sign up and start trading. And you're using their money. It's you're paying $100 a month to use whatever account that you have, and that discount lasts a long time. Once you do get a funded account, I think it's $80 or $85 they charge you a month to keep it, but you're only paying that $100 until you get funded, and then you go to that other account, and it works out good for you. Have any questions or anything, please let me know. Just send me a message on my website. Go up here to the contact page and fill this out and put all your information in. If you need to talk to me, we can do a phone call or whatever you want. So be sure and use that coupon. Have a great day.